How you doing all? Dark hair. I've just got myself a Behringer X1622USB. Just gonna do an unboxing first video, so just bear with me. I'm doing it on my iPhone, so I'm gonna have to unbox this using my one hand. Quick look. Okay, first thing we've got, have a look on here, we've got the main plug, and then you got a USB in there. I don't know if you could see a USB and the mains adapter. Let's put that aside. We've got the rack itself, mount rack. I think there's two, yep, two of them there. Mount rack, but that's and nice form, just keeping the mixer in place. Ew. That's not so bad. Then we've got the mixer itself. Oh god, it's quite heavy. Just put that aside a bit. Get rid of the box. We've got your instruction manual. Yeah, you've got a CD there, most like your software. Behringer logo and everything. And yep, that's it. That's the box gone. Let's have a look at the mixer itself. Oh, look at that. It's a good, decent size. I thought it would be bigger, but you know, this is alright. Okay, let's just get this plastic off. Again, bear with me, not easy doing this with one hand. Right there. Wow. Looks very nice. Well, there we go, we've got some sweets. Nah, don't eat this, throw this straight away. Okay, let's have a look. There we go. Move back a bit. Just focus a bit on that one, make it look light. Wow. The faders, they feel alright. Pretty decent. Let me zoom in a bit here. There we go. So yeah, the faders, they feel alright. Not bad. Buttons alright. That's nice. So the knobs alright. Let's closer here. Your mains, effects unit. There's all your connections there. So you've got 4 mic inputs, 9 ins. You've got your gains. Oh, quite stiff. Very. Oh god, you just really stiff. Maybe it's just yeah. That one is okay, but this one here is that one's stiff as anything. Okay, yeah, I guess it's just that one. Maybe it needs a good using. But yeah, wow, that is proper stiff. Everything else is okay. Compressors. Got 4 compressors. That will go with the line ins and the mic inputs. EQs. EQ section, you got mid-range EQ and a frequent. There's that. Got the same for the other channels there. And your aux. And your effects, you get pans down there. Each channel you got a mute, clip, I guess solo, solo sub. Alright, solo, yep, sub and main. So I guess if you want that one channel to just be solo, just to listen to it on its own, or to go to your sub 1s and 2s, or to your main channel. Yeah, very nice. Let's have a look at here. Okay, you got your left and right source. I guess that will be your mains at the back. You got your mode, main mix, there's a USB. Pretty decent. I'm looking here, you got your solo effect, stereo in and out. Yeah, and it's not bad. Not bad at all. You've got your effects here, oh, that's very loose. And tap B, I guess that tap is for tap B in. You got your effects indicators there. Show you what's what. Let me just go into that a bit more. A quick look at the connection ports. You got foot pedal, phones, lines in, track USB on top, mains out. Quite a few connection here. Just the main things that I would need for myself. But I guess if you wanted more, let's have a look at the. Oh, it is. My God, it's got quite a bit of weight to it. Quite a bit of weight. I mean, I'm holding it with one hand, so a bit of a struggle there. Let's have a look at the sides. So it's pretty good the way it angles itself going down into your desk. Let's have a quick look at the back. Okay, let me just make this a little clearer. Come closer. Alright, there you go, the USB there. Your subs going in and out, control. Then you got other various channels that you could connect in. Mains out. I'm going to use these for my studio monitors. You get the power on and off, and you got your phantom there for your mics, and the plug-in itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So there you have it. That was a quick unboxing, quick look at the Behringer X1622USB. Alright folks, again my first video. I'll probably do a quick review later on. Rate, subscribe, comment. Cheers.